Hi guys! The year is coming to its end. It's so close to the new year. I cannot really believe it that the year is almost gone. But today I have a delicious recipe for you. I know it's not my usual video day and I won't be posting videos in the future on Saturdays. But I just wanted to share another couple of recipes with you before the year ends. And today I want to share with you a delicious appetizer platter with 3 delicious appetizers that you can make beforehand. So it's make ahead appetizers for the new year, or of course you can make them any time of the year whenever you want to make some delicious appetizers for a party or get together. So I was hoping to show you the appetizers, but we've almost finished all of them. We just have a few left over for tonight, so unfortunately I cannot show them to you over here, but you can see some sneak peeks here behind me. So I'm gonna share with you tomorrow this delicious party platter, a cheese board or a fruit board, whichever way you want to call it. It's also great for the new year. And then on Monday I'm gonna share some delicious cocktails with you for the New Year's Eve. So if you want to make some homemade cocktails with Prosecco or champagne, then stay tuned as there will be some delicious recipes. I have all the ingredients here for my turkey pinwheels. So I have here some tortillas. Then I also have some cream cheese here. You can use any that you like. Then I have some turkey breast. This is actually for sandwiches, so you can use this kind of sandwich turkey slices, or you can also use just regular turkey breast, whichever you have on hand. Then I also have some sweet dried cranberries here. What you could also use is cranberry sauce if you have some leftover. Then I have some pecan nuts and chives here. And now I'm gonna show you how to assemble these. So first I'm just gonna spread the cream cheese over the tortilla. And of course I thought the knife is the best to do this, to do the job, but actually it's gonna be easier with a spoon. So I'm just gonna spread it evenly. And here you could add more or less, so if you'd like to add a little bit more of that cream cheese, you could add more. I'm gonna keep it like this. Then I'm gonna add the cranberries. Then you want to chop the pecan nuts and add them also on top. Then I'm taking just a little bit of the chives and I'm just gonna use the scissors and add some over the cream cheese as well. Now I have everything else apart from the turkey, and the turkey I'm gonna add in like this. So I'm kind of covering everything else with the turkey. And then once you have the turkey there, you want to roll the tortilla, and you want to start from one of the corners and just go slow and try to roll it really tight. Before you start cutting the rolls, you want to make sure you have some toothpicks, some wooden toothpicks or skewers on hand, and then you can start cutting the rolls. So what I'm gonna do is, because the end part is not gonna be very pretty, I'm just gonna cut as little as I can, and I'm gonna just snack that. So I'm not gonna serve the end bits. And then when you cut the wheel, you want to place it like this and use a skewer to keep it all together. So the next one is super simple. I have some dates here. I have some goat cheese. You could also use cream cheese. And then I also have some pecan nuts. I'm gonna keep this quite sweet. So if you would want to add some saltiness to them, you could add, for example, some prosciutto around the dates, but I'm gonna keep them on the sweeter side. So what you want to do is, well, first of all, you want to use pitted dates. You want to open the date like this, and you want to add the goat cheese in the middle. So you want to stuff the date with the goat cheese. Then we kind of close it. It's not a problem if it's like this, so it's coming out of the date. Actually, I think it looks better like this. And then you just add the pecan nut on top. And that's it. Really, really simple. And the next one is also really simple. I have some hard-boiled eggs here, then I have my crunchy bacon and some chives, and out of my screen I also have some mayo and black pepper. So the first thing I want to do is to get hold of the yolks. So I'm gonna halve the eggs and remove the yolks into a separate bowl. Then I have my yolks in a separate bowl. I'm gonna add in about 1 tablespoon of mayo and a little bit of black pepper. And then you want to grab a fork and mash the egg yolks with the mayo. And once you mash it, you will notice whether you need to add more of that mayo, and I can see mine is not really coming together, so I need to add a little bit more mayo, and I'm gonna mix again. So you kind of want to get a paste-like consistency so that it all comes together, and this looks like it's gonna be enough. And then once your yolks are ready, you can start spooning the yolk mix into the egg whites. So you could do this with a piping bag, but I want to do a really simple tutorial this time and show you how you can do it without any special tools, so just with the spoon. And then once I have the egg yolk in the egg whites, I just want to decorate with some bacon crunch and with the chives. So I prep the bacon crunch, and I'm just gonna add a little bit on top of each. you also want to add some chives on top. I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please don't forget the thumbs up for support. And if you're new to my channel, then you can subscribe over there, and if you tap the bell, then you won't miss any of the coming recipes. Thank you for watching my video. Bye bye until next time.